In this video, I'm going to teach you a bit about duplicating roadmaps. The reason you might want to duplicate a roadmap is to copy the data from one roadmap into another and being able to manipulate that data without having any implications on the original roadmap. Another reason to duplicate might be because you want to utilize the layout and colors of someone else's roadmap, but then make changes to the dataset. There are two ways to duplicate a roadmap. The first way is from within the roadmap itself, selecting the cog next to the name and then selecting Duplicate the Roadmap. Another way is from the home page is by highlighting the roadmap you'd like to duplicate and selecting Duplicate. From here, you can give it a new name or just leave it as copy, and then you can choose to share it with the same people the original roadmap is being shared with. From here, I can duplicate it. Once my data is pulled in, I can make changes freely to any of the data without it having an effect on my colleague's roadmap that I just copied from. What needs to be considered, however, is that the fields being used in this roadmap is not duplicated, as fields are global across your account. What that means is if I want to change the name of the fields that are being used in this roadmap, I should create them from scratch, because changing the name of this field will affect all 4 roadmaps that are using this field. If I change this to team from project organizer and update, all 4 of the roadmaps, including the original that you copied from, will now be using the team field rather than the original being product or project organizer. Going back into the development roadmap, you'll now see that clicking into these fields, they're now called team instead of project organizer. So bear in mind that when duplicating a roadmap, you duplicate the data. However, the fields are still remaining the same because they are a global field, and any changes made to them are applied across the board to all roadmaps utilizing that field.